Somebody, not a battery. Somebody. Mira, what happened? Bro, we need an intro for the Top Secret Garage. Ting, 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 ting. Welcome to another video of Secret Garage. Because we got to do something with that. But, alright, welcome to another video of Secret Garage. Let me show you guys this real quick over here. Evers. Mark.
Super Saiyan.
Mark 3 Supra. We're working on the housing right now. And we're going to cut the tip and we're going to weld the 90 in there.
He said cut the tip.
Yeah, we're gonna cut this tip right here and weld the 90 so we can put it this way. But it's got the dry shaft already. We put the intercooler in there too. So, but this is not about Evers, but soon it will. I'm gonna explain to you guys a top secret on how you can put a T56 in a affordable way. I'm gonna explain the numbers on why, and I'm gonna be unboxing the kit that I'm gonna put in here. Now, this is a T56 out of a LT1 Camaro 6-speed. You can tell it was LT1 because of this plate. This is the old plate, and then you gotta put the LS2 plate. I bought this transmission for $700, and then I just swapped the plate. Put an LS1 plate, which has got the for the slave cylinder here. That's the difference. You see, this one doesn't have the plate. But you can, GG. But you can buy this transmission. Usually you can find it for anywhere from $1,000 to $1,500. I got lucky, so I got it for $700 from a friend. But you can buy it. Now, the reason I'm gonna go over here, these numbers right here, I'm gonna explain to you guys why you can actually get this kit, and I'm gonna tell you how. All right, so T56. When they talk about T56, you gotta so you can hear me. T56. When you think about T56, you're thinking about 8 grand, more or less. But I'll explain to you. I'm gonna go over the kit for Grand Skis. I checked online. I called and I checked. It's $5,000. So $5,000 from that kit includes the transmission, shifter, mount, and cross member. That's the $5,000 for that for the Magnum, which is a great transmission, really good transmission. Mira, bájate de ahí. Don't you love making videos with little kids around? Okay, yeah, go. So, but it does not come with a clutch kit. No clutch kit. The twin disc they sell is $2,800. Plus the dry shaft they sell is $800. Next thing you know, you're paying $8,600 for a complete T56. For a Supra or a SC300 or whatever the case may be, you're paying around $8,600. Now, what if I tell you that I could put a T56 in my car for $4,000? Less than half of that. I'm gonna tell you how. This kit that you guys see right here, which we're about to unbox, I got it from Intifat. This came all from overseas. You see all these beautiful labels. Came from Australia. You can buy this kit shipped to you for $2,800 through Inti. He calls, makes the phone calls, and I'll get it for you. Come in. Look, $2,800. What does it come in the kit? It comes with a twin disc clutch. Mantis is the brand. Rated for 1100 torque with the bell housing, the slave cylinder, the shim kit, the pilot bearing, bushing adapter, and the whole 9 yards for $2,800. I bought the cross member with the mount and the extended the ship knob extended to the back for $200. It's like $250 more or less, 200 something from Siki. Then the dry shaft from Advanced Dryland, I called them up, I told them the measurements and whatnot. It was $300, like $290. T56 to something, I forgot the measurement for the rear, but it was $300 and then $700 for the transmission. I paid a total of $4,000 for everything. $4,000, $8,600. Salvador Flash. Oh. Alright, so again, 4,000 to 8,600. Big difference, less than half. So we're gonna unbox this now, and we're gonna see what's inside this kit. So you guys are gonna see it with me. Woo. Don't let your wife see these numbers. My wife cannot see it. I'll get in trouble. And she knows how much I spend in this kit. Alright. Bro. Check this out.
Wow.
Bro, check this out. What the hell?
Top secret, man.
Damn. Bro, check this out.
That is badass.
This thing came in a dance suit.
You have the lock codes for that, man?
I don't know, bro. Oh, look at this. Bro, this is bad ass. Look, it's got the plates here with the other spacers. It has a paper. It has a paper. All the hardware, the slave cylinder. It's got the grease inside, alignment tool. Already comes with the adapter, so you can screw in there the fitting in there. Well, this thing is amazing. It looks super badass. I don't want to take it out, but I am. The plate. Look at the clutches. Dariel, sal de ahí. Bro, this looks amazing. I don't even want to mess with it because I'm not going to put it on right now, but this thing looks amazing. Close this. Okay, then we're gonna go on this side. This is the bell housing. I guess this isn't a spacer, it's not even a shim, it's a spacer that you're gonna put in between. Looks like a spacer. Let's go over here. So, yeah, so it is a spacer to push the slave cylinder a little forward. So this is pretty cool, and it's got the two bolts for that. And okay, it's broken. It's got this all the bolts, hardware, pilot bushing. Bro, this thing is legit, and the bell housing. Bro, this thing is heavy.
It's very high quality.
For real, bro. It's got the alignment pins, and it's got the alignment pins here.
And it is thick. Holy smokes.
Yes, it's very thick. This thing is very thick.
That's what she said.
Like, mira, I got little kids that watch the channel, okay?
Ya entre mano.
Look at that. Beautiful. Boy. You see the numbers?
Está grabando ya.
Yeah. Alright. Also, another advantage of using the transmission, check this out. You put the clutch in the engine, you torque it down or whatever. Then you grab the bell housing by itself and you put it on the engine. These bolts that bolt into the plate, they come from the back. So you don't have to get like a long wrench to put these bolts in there, because they're on the side, like they got one here and here, and they're very easy. So you make this, and the transmission made into this, so it's very simple to take the transmission, I will put it in because you don't have to get these 2 bolts from the top, which are a pain in the butt. That's awesome. Let's go over this again before we end the video. Next video, I will show you guys. Wait, there's something else in here.
Oh, the flywheel.
Oh, the flywheel.
Oh.
Let's open this flywheel before we cut the video. Look at this flywheel. This thing is amazing, man.
Nice. It's all very high quality.
Very high quality. Alright. We're gonna put everything back together in the box. ¿Qué tú haces presentar? Okay. So that's it. I'm gonna leave in the description. I'm gonna leave the link to Empty. So if you guys wanna get this kit, you can go straight to his page on Facebook, you know, send him a message, PayPal him, he'll get you your kit. $2,800. I cannot complain for $2,800 what I got. And then what? Next video we're gonna be putting in on the Ford Supra. This here is waiting on the kit.
Yep.
So
Bring her back.
stay tuned. We're gonna be putting a T56. We're gonna be testing it. We're gonna be finishing that 2J. We're gonna be testing it. So if you might ask what's next for Top Secret, P56 swap, BorgWarner big turbo on that one, and then they're gonna race. We're gonna see who wins. Let me take the phone real quick. Let me see his face.
It's gonna happen.
It's gonna happen. No, I'm not gonna race. I'm just messing around. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, leave it in the comments. Like, share, subscribe, hit that bell button because this guy always tells it.
Yeah.
Share it, comment. I read all the comments. And if you want to message me, go to Instagram at T Secret Garage. Thank you.